Hello students, the concept given in the question is about DNA replication. And what is required for us is to match the following enzymes involved in replication with its function. Okay, let us get into the explanation with the help of the suitable image. So students, in the question, this image where we have a list of enzymes involved in replication and also the list of functions which has been jumbled. Okay, so we need to match the enzyme with respect to its function. So the first enzyme what we have here is DNA ligase.